Here is the never-changing rule when it comes to police. If you choose to give a statement to the police, you will now be locked in to that statement. Any deviations or variations from that original statement will now likely be interpreted by the cops as you lying or covering up the truth. Why didn't you tell us this earlier? Are you changing your story now? What exactly are you hiding? By the way, do you know that if you change your report now and your statement, you could be charged with a false report to a peace officer? Because of this, you should never just start talking to the police. Opening your mouth and spewing out the first thing that's in your head, layered with emotions in the moment, is one of the worst things you can possibly do with the police in any situation. Why is this a problem? Because the reality of it is you never just get to say what you want to say. What starts as you telling your story to the police always turns into an interrogation. The cops start asking you a lot of very direct, closed-ended questions. Maybe you're sharing your story. The next thing they say is, how many punches did you throw? How many times did you say you pushed him? Cops are actually staring at the physical evidence in front of them. And as you begin to open your mouth and tell your story, they are comparing what you say to the evidence that they have. And if those two things don't line up, they are going to always interpret it against you as a sign of guilt.